Today we are here at Seaboard Junction, which is a 55-plus community in Loganville. And I am here with Sam, who is with Paran Homes. And Sam, I understand that you all have opened up another phase here at Seaboard Junction.
Yes, we have. It's so exciting. Brand new phase number 2. Hit the ground running already with a couple of sales, lots of people in talks. So we're getting people on the books and ready to go. Priced from the 200s, Seaboard Junction is a stunning collection of attached villas. We are the premier gated active adult community in the Loganville area. Our homeowners love us for open concept floor plans, chef-inspired kitchens, stepless showers, scratch-resistant flooring, and covered porches with screened-in options.
And Sam, I understand that here at Seaboard Junction, there's also going to be some great amenities.
Yes, there are. They are ideal for socializing as well as entertaining. We offer an array of outstanding amenities like a cabana-style clubhouse, swimming pool, bocce ball court, community garden, and a dog park. Seaboard Junction is conveniently located on the Gwinnett end of Loganville and only minutes from the shops of Web Gym, Bay Creek Park, Tribble Mill Park, and Gwinnett Medical Center. We are priced from the 200s, and currently we are offering $5,000 towards closing costs with our preferred lender. We are currently taking pre-sales, and our homes will be ready for move-in spring of 2021.
And Sam, for our viewers out there, what is the best way for them to learn more about Seaboard Junction?
Well, our 2 furnished models are open daily, and they can call us at 470-344-0341, or they can also visit us online at paranhomes.com.
Well, Sam, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you want to learn more about the second phase here at Seaboard Junction, you will definitely want to check out this 55-plus community by Paran Homes.